here in Agago. So we have a very small presentation here. It is part of our training. It's about skill at arms, where the trainees are going to demonstrate stripping and assembling of gun parts. So I request you watch it and see and make your comments on how they have got the skills about gun. So right now I'm going to hand over to the commander who has been training them to command the participant to do so. Thank you. Yes. Kuru. Suga. Atwe moja. Bale suga. Kneel down. Down. Start.
Up.
Hiyo ndio step ya kwanza ambao ni kufungua. Nenda kwa step ya pili ya kufunga. Crew, hatua moja, bale sunga. Down.
Up. Go. Up.
Okay, thank you. You. The second line, ladies.